good time for rock, paper,
Isn't it really awkward when you watch people eat? So awkward.
yeah.
I should make a video
I don't
of it.
like to be watched in general. Oh, really?
Well, then you obviously don't have a Twitter then, right?
I can stare too if you want. I'm pretty good at staring. I hate being stared at.
Stick it in or around your mouth.
She loves turning around.
Shit. We have to bite into it sometime.
She wants to eat in silence.
Chom chom chom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. It's in there. It's there. How is it? Show us.
I've had better things in my mouth.
Don't lie. She just is watching.
I said nothing about it. It's okay now, but not when I'm actually biting it. No. It's really awkward when you can't bite through it.
Does Mikey like churros? Yay. It's going down. It's right there right now. But this the Duffy.